There's a tiny bitty strip right here. Shoot, my batteries are getting low. But I got backup. Hold on, cause my batteries are getting low. I got these. Every time I hear a low battery, it stays like 5 minutes or less. This is just what I want. This is only a 1-part video. Now guys, I know how to post the videos now. You gotta copy them first, then you gotta do, you got files to post it. I got it. Doesn't matter how many minutes. It's just a strip. It's not severe. Probably way on say we might have a severe storm. Storm south of us, most of it. Just go like this, south end, go like this. This is one might hit south of us. Not close enough to see lightning. Just a small one. I'll wait till the battery goes dead. Back off. Good look out the window, but not this one. That's a boat. Here's a fun way we can have fun with it. Okay, I see another one. It's gonna take a while for another lightning strike hits. The way I said? Yeah, underneath it. Earlier this morning we burned up some wood, and now we have this. It's new camera. It's made in USA, not China. Easy to press and have no camera powers recording. You just all you have to do is press it. A lot of cameras broke, so I bought a new one. It works perfectly. It just gotta be a long way, so. I might take another one. If the batteries are low, it's at least 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. I don't know how long it takes. I've been using batteries for just taping some practice. I got new ones. Each battery can last up to a half an hour. Excuse me, 20 minutes, not half an hour. We're gonna get another one. About now. We do have a severe weather threat. This one's not severe though. It's just a pop-up. The Doppler radar says white top, we're in white top. I don't know if we got any more. Let's see. This one right here is going to stop. We might only gonna get this one, that's it. Just a one-part storm, that's it. You've been good for 6 minutes. Shoots are getting white. Alright, the battery's on E right now, that means it's empty. That's the only way we're gonna get it. I think 4 minutes will be the last one. And yep, the batteries are dead. Yep, the batteries are going dead. So stay tuned for more updates.